Hello and welcome back to the Traders Paradise Show here on Crypto TV with Kunal Kataria. And I have with us today Mr. Muthu, who is coming from a hotelier background, now into crypto trading. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Muthu, please introduce yourself.
Hi, thank you, Kunal. Thank you, Traders Paradise and Crypto TV for having me here. So, as you said, I come from a hotel background, basically from Tamil Nadu. Did my hotel management and worked in hotels for 20 years now. So, and I am into crypto from 2017, doing a lot of investments, tradings, and earning out of crypto and blockchain space. And here I am with you now.
Wow, that's wonderful. What brought you into the crypto space?
The inquisitiveness which I had always, and the opportunities which I see in terms of the growing technology. It's like my father has missed the era of internet, so I don't want to miss the era of blockchain and crypto. So that's why.
Fantastic. Well, coming from the hotel space, right?
Yes.
You're working in the hotel industry.
Yeah.
You're doing things over there.
Yes.
It's very unusual for somebody to get into blockchain or trading or into tech.
True. Many people,
hospitality background.
Yeah. Many people, when they hear that I'm doing it, they get crazy. Like, how are you into this side of it? But because I always I'm passionate about hotels, but I was always into having another stream of income where I can be linked with the growing technology, So I was looking for a lot of opportunities. I got few and I missed. And when I heard about crypto from a friend of mine and blockchain, so I thought then I started studying about it, looking at a lot of documentaries of Bitcoin and how the evaluation of currency is happening and stuff. So that got that inquisitiveness into me. And then I thought, okay, I see that there is a big future because the technology is as such. So more than crypto and other stuff, I believe in blockchain as a technology for future. So that's what brought me into this whole thing. So
who is this friend of yours who came in 2017?
No, we are work colleagues. He was
buddy?
No. He's not a blockchain buddy. He's also a hotelier like me. So
nice.
Yeah. So he was into that earlier. So he told me about it. There's an opportunity like this. Would you want to try it? I said, दोस्त मेरे एक पैसा भी नहीं लगाऊंगा जब तक मुझे ना लगे कि ये इसमें it has a future and it is not any Ponzi scheme or any bubble which bursts anytime in future. So then I did my own researches and I felt like yes, it has some value, it has some future perspective. So I thought, okay, why not try this? So that's how I started.
What was the aha moment there? So when you're going through all this, you're doing your research, you're checking everything. There must be like one aha moment.
One aha moment is from zero. When I came into, I got introduced to crypto. I saw from zero, Bitcoin was at 1.5 lakh rupees. So that was a big aha moment for me. And the days I take thinking of entering into it, the price is going up. I wanted to buy some Bitcoin. By the time I transferred my fund from here to there, from 1.5 lakh, Bitcoin jumped to 3.5.
Oh my God! And then you bought it?
I bought a bit of it, and then I holded it.
You didn't think?
Yeah.
पैसा डाला?
नहीं, मैंने उतना ही डाला जितना मेरे को दर्द नहीं होगा अगर गया तो भी. So I invested only that much, and again, I'm not putting in someone else's money. It's all my hard-earned money. I lose it, I know I will earn it back. So that's not a thing for me.
Do you have any regrets? Ki yaar, I had it. I could get in earlier. I was studying it.
No.
Or anything.
Getting in earlier ka regret nahi hai, because even now I am early in crypto and blockchain, I would say. Because most of the world is also saying
now you've been in 2022.
Yeah, we are still early in blockchain and Bitcoin and crypto. So we are not late. We are exactly at a stage where internet was in 1993. So 1993, the growing curve of internet is at the exact stage where we are standing today, So from 93 to 2022, internet has evolved in a big way, right? You can't. Then people said it's just a gimmick of geeks on computers. That's what they said. But now you can't do anything without internet. You are helpless without internet.
Yeah.
So the future will be you will be helpless without blockchain. So that's how people are going to feel, because the technology is so strong, and it is evolving every day. I'm there with the industry for 5 years, following it. Still, I feel I left behind. I have lot to catch up. It's really faster.
Hear what this gentleman said. You will not be able to survive without blockchain is the kind of conviction the gentleman has of the future of blockchain, which is immense. And how does that drive what you do today? Is there anything that drives the compassion you have? Does that drive that ahead in your day-to-day living or your profession, anything that you're doing today?
See, because I was a hotelier, and pandemic hit everyone in the world, right? So it hit me also. So I got laid off, and I was looking for job left, right, and center. Things were not working out well for me, and then things were very difficult. Somehow I got into a few interviews, and again second wave came again. Everything got stuck. So that's when it hit me badly. Hit me back. Like, why should I do? Why am I still hitting on a hard wall when the wall is not breaking? Why am I not using what I'm already doing in crypto and blockchain space? So that's where it hit me. And then I thought, okay, I should take that as a career now, and then I should see, since I say we are early here, so I want to take the advantage of an early comer.
Changed your career?
Yeah, I changed my career, and now I'm
no longer into hospitality.
No, I'm a passionate hotelier. I like hotels, and I'm not saying that I hate the industry or something like that, but it's not like that. But since I'm early here, so I want to take the earlier come advantage here, and I want most out of it when I'm here early. So,
wow, that's a big step.
Yeah, see, I wanted to do it always when I was at work, but the middle class and lower middle class mindset of the insecurity of leaving the paid job, a fancy job in a hotel, a high paid job in a hotel, and then leaving everything and starting up new was difficult, like any other ordinary Indian. But blessing in disguise, pandemic hit, and I took this opportunity to my favor, and I thought I should go ahead with this.
That being said, how do you make your choices on what you're doing in the blockchain space?
See, there are a lot of things to it. First, we should understand the basic of the technology. If you don't understand the basic of the technology, then you are just gambling with it. It's not it's just gambling. It's not trading, or it's not wise investment or anything like that. So I don't, like Warren Buffett said, I don't keep all my eggs in one basket. I split it out to different ways of investment in blockchain and crypto. There are different ways. Crypto is one thing. So apart from crypto, there is NFT, there is Metaverse, there is Web3. So I divide my investments in all of it, so that if one doesn't go up, the other doesn't, the other one, at least one egg will hatch. So.
And these are all risk calculated, worked on.
Yeah, risk calculated. I do day trading. I do long time holdings, and I do get involved and buy coins at ICO and IPO stages. So it's all about the research. Give us
some more information on how you're making these choices, what you're looking at, what you're putting where, how. Do you make
it's all I do my basic research to the core, like when I'm getting into an IPO or ICO related to any particular crypto project, I would see what the crypto project is existing for, what is the cost of the project they are working on, and then what is the future potential of that particular project they are working on. Is that useful for now, and then is still useful for a long term? Plus, who is involved in the project, who are all linked with the project, who's sponsoring them, who are all the investors. So there are a lot of a big list of things
you can
which
verify all this research that you do.
Yeah, see, nowadays everything is on internet. So first thing is to do read the white paper of the company, what they are for, what are their roadmap, what are they going to do, who are all involved in the project. So complete. Yes. I looked out on there are websites like CoinGecko and Coin Market Cap where you can read about all coins and stuff. Plus I refer a lot of YouTubes, I refer a lot of influencers, how they talk about projects, and yes, I follow some of the celebrities and people who are into this blockchain and the crypto space in Twitter and Telegram and all the spaces. So it's a collective research of all platforms and stuff. Plus, end of the day, it's my call, like whether I believe it or not. People might say 1,000 things, but not necessary that it's just to be true. So end of the day, there is little.
Well, everybody wants to say, buy this, do this, do that. I want to do this. This is what works. This is what doesn't work.
Yes.
That's true. And for all you know, most of these marketers are paid for.
True, yes, but if there is a benefit, it's not. There's nothing bad to listen to someone what they're saying. But yes, before investing, you should do your own research. Not blindly put in your money. Because at the end of the day, it's your hard-earned money. Whether crypto multiplied it, or you earned it, or you got it from your father or whoever. So it's someone's hard-earned money. So
this is, you spoke about coins. What about Web 3.0? What about Metaverse?
See, I believe that since you know that crypto was the first product came out of blockchain, So as long as the blockchain exists in the world, I believe the crypto will exist in the world. Because in the blockchain space, everything revolves around the crypto in terms of funding and everything. For example, when you said about Metaverse, like for example, Sand or Mana or like Decentraland you take. So it is a big project that is working on completely Metaverse. So if they want to accept any fund from a real world, it's accepted through a coin called Mana, which it is their native token coin. So every crypto should have a project on its back, and then the project should have a use case. So then yes, the appreciation is there. It might happen not this year, next year, but definitely it will happen in 2 or 3 years. For example, even you take Mana, it's there for last 2.5, 3 years, but the price boom is happened in 2021 and it will happen in 2022. So the project, all basic big projects, it starts low like this and then they go up like this. So they don't start from there and go down.
Did you get in before the rocket launch or did you get in after the rocket launch?
I got in half rocket launch. So yes, I got into.
How do you verify the utility of something like this?
See, it is based on the project only. What project they're working in, how much the funding they have got, who are all involved in it, and then does that token has real utility on the project? Will the project has a utility? If you say like that Facebook is going into Metaverse now, they've changed Facebook into Meta. Right. So someone like him has going into there. He would have seen some future technology. He wants to change the whole perspective and outlook of social media experience. Now we have verbal and picturized experience of social media, but there is no virtual experience of social media. So that can be done through Metaverse. So that's why Facebook is so early into it.
Assuming your own projection on the future in the universe with respect to virtual reality, with respect to Metaverse, with respect to the project that you're reading. You also have your own interpretation. It's not complete that is available online.
No. See, it is
business acumen or
yes, completely. Anyone should. I would. Everyone have to. You should not blindly believe in anything put in your money. You have to see. You have to see the past.
Deploy AI on this. Jao, khud hi dimag lagao, numbers crunch karo aur aa jao.
See, there is options. It all depends on people. Even AI technologies. Yeah, I know options. There are many options available. Currently I'm using Kiwi Smart. It's semi-automated trading assistant platform which is built on blockchain. This is the only platform which is available on a blockchain and it is a DAO. So I'm using that also.
What's it called again?
It's called Kiwi Smart.
Kiwi Smart. Does it
Kiwi
go
Smart,
out and analyze or pick hidden gems?
Yes, yes. Yeah, no. See,
rock
no, I will not say it like that before rocket launch. See, if you are a trader, for example, so you do intraday or weekly trading or monthly trading, however it is, a trader knows how stressful it is. It is not easy. Humanly, it is impossible to be glued on into charts and system 24/7. And people who are in stock and forex, they have at least a break, But if you are into crypto, it runs 24/7, 365 days.
Yeah.
Even you snap your eyes, you have some change happening. So there,
are you listening to this? Are you listening to this? Every trader usually has hours of working. In the crypto world, there are no hours. You're 24/7. You're like switch on all time.
All time, yes.
All time.
So for a human, it is physically impossible to work 24/7 without rest. So what happens is some portion of your portfolio or your earnings you have made, you have to safeguard it somewhere, right? You have to put it in a basket where it works passively for you, and the egg you put there doesn't get spoiled or stolen, or it doesn't get consumed by anyone. So AI helps that. So AI was a artificial programming interface.
This is AI that is built on the blockchain.
Yes, it is on the blockchain. That's the reason I believe in it. I researched on it for 3 months, very good, and analyzed the trading patterns they are using, and they are doing a great job. They have a team of hedge fund traders who are experienced in crypto for 10 years, and they are experienced in managing portfolio. So like how when you are investing in a stock or a mutual fund, you go to a portfolio management company who does it for a bigger scale, and you take their help and you invest your money into them, and then they buy funds for you. But with this AI in crypto, you don't need to give your fund to them. Your fund will be...
This will do the hard work and the research and come to you.
Yes.
With a silver platter saying, okay, this is what we found, guys.
So it is for a common man use, even someone who doesn't know crypto or blockchain, they can use it.
From the trader's common man view, can you hear the audience asking the question? Can you hear them asking the question?
Yeah, everyone asks the same question. When you say you are into crypto, kitna kamaya tumne?
How many X is your investment? इतना पहले घुसे हो इंडस्ट्री में, how many X is your investment?
See, I have
here's a trader's paradise answer.
To be honest,
paradise question.
To be honest, I missed 2 opportunities earlier. I missed the opportunity in Bitcoin, and I missed an opportunity in Polygon, Matic.
Okay.
So, but what happened is that's because of my personal reasons. So I had to pull out the fund for personal reasons. It's not just because I didn't believe, or I didn't want to hold the project. It's not like that. But that's the fate. So we have to accept it. So, but yes, for example, in Polygon, I missed the 120x.
You missed
120x.
Missed 120x.
Yeah, but I capitalized on 13x. Yes.
You capitalized 13x.
13x, yes.
13x,
because,
13x.
13x, yes. Of
13x.
Yes. I missed on 120, bro. I just got 13.
So now you're regretting missing out on so much.
No, I don't see.
You're not realizing you made 13x. You're from the hospitality industry. That's actually impossible to achieve in like a decade.
I know it is not possible, but there are technologies in the world which exist, which gives you the opportunity. It is up to you whether you use it and make use of it, or you just
in the blockchain space, or you're speaking generally.
In the blockchain space, I'm saying. See, even you go to a traditional banking investment, 1 lakh of yours, it takes 8.5 years to become 2 lakhs, right?
That's what 13x, man. I can't get my head around it.
Yes, so see,
hospitality to crypto to 13x. My God.
See, there are still X's coming. See, as I said, crypto is very early. Don't think that you have missed on crypto. Crypto X came in at 2010 and we missed out on it. No, it is not. crypto is just a baby. It has just started crawling and just started standing on its own leg. It has to grow, it has to run, and there are so many things. It has to get old and then die.
That's why you're saying we are so early.
We are so early, yes.
And these X's are just the beginning.
Yes. See, you will miss access in crypto, but you will have opportunities to make access also. Because there are new projects, there is new development happening every single day, every single hour, every single second.
You made 13x. Give us something. Tell us one thing that I think that you believe should be the takeaway of you being on Crypto TV, of you being on Traders Paradise, of you coming here and sharing your experience. One thing you'd like to share with the audience.
See, like I said earlier also, do your own research, study about the project, and once you believe in the project, yes, you put in your fund. And put in fund.
One thing more beyond, how to believe in the project. How to believe कि ये 4 साहब ने आके ब्लॉकचेन प्रोजेक्ट चालू किया और ये 4 साहब इसको चांद पे लेके जाएंगे.
See, I strongly believe that all Metaverse projects, Web3 projects has future.
Okay.
NFT also has future.
Okay.
These 3 has bright future in crypto space. Because NFT is also just beginning, Metaverse is also just begin, and Web3 is also just begin. So all 3 talks about digitalizing and virtualizing the current products which is available in this physical world. So all 3 are working towards the future technology. So any project you invest on these 3, you look at, if you're coming into crypto, don't look at next second, next day, next month, next week, next year. Look at a long-term perspective. You might start slow, but in a long-term perspective, your appreciation of your investment will definitely go above what you haven't imagined of. If you get into a good project, yes, you don't need to worry. Invest and forget about it. Do what you're doing every day. Forget about it. That's the other way to do it.
More than you're saying, more than trading day to day.
Yes.
Be a longer term investor, just like how you do it.
Yes. See, when you can wait 8.5 years for your investment to double, you can easily wait for 2 years or 3 years, right? That's not a big thing. So
thank you so much. Everybody has their own opinion. This is not financial advice whatsoever.
No, it is not. Do your own research. I have done my own research. So
the gentleman has repeatedly said, do your own research. Guys, we're bringing you these traders on the show to educate you about what all happens. From so many episodes that you've probably put together, you would have realized and learned that everybody's done their own researches. They've probably lost money, lost opportunities, done a couple of things, and then eventually they have a different purview, different aspect, and these things change time to time. Thank you so much, Mr. Muthu, for being on the show. Thank you for coming on Paradise, giving us an opportunity to know your story and sharing it with the audience, whoever's watching with us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kunal. Thank you for having me here, giving me this opportunity to share my story. So I'm really happy to be here, and I would want to be in this show again and again.
You make one more 30x, we are bringing you in the show again.
Great.
This is wonderful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel and show. You can also find us on the Crypto Wire app, where we have a Crypto TV section. And we are here to bring you a lot of more information and more traders coming soon on Traders Paradise. Until then, see you next time.